now you've got yourself something funky.
Here with the 2.5